Welcome to Woldside Classic and Sports Car. Today we're pleased to offer this young classic in the form of a 2000 registered BMW Z3 2-litre Roadster. Finished in a striking combination of Oxford green metallic, the car's got black Oregon leather upholstery. It's a lovely car, very low mileage, covered 35,000 miles from new. So we walk around the car, you'll notice the wheels, which are the 16-inch 5-spoke design, are in lovely condition. Looking down the side of the car, you'll see there are no dents or scratches on the driver's side. The wheels all original, not being refurbished. The paintwork gleams. It's hard to believe this car is over 18 years old. Coming down the near side, and again you'll see the sun bringing the best of this lovely metallic green out. Just a few stone chips on the lower front bumper, all original though, and a couple of chips again on the bonnet. Not been painted, this car, it is all original. Wheels, tyres all in great condition, great service history. Car's got a black hood which is in good condition. You look at the photos. Inside we've got this nice Oregon black leather, the textured centres there, electric adjustable front seats, an uprated stereo there, a Clarion system with Bluetooth and DAB. We've got the original like leopard print carpet mats which are in great condition. Looking down the seats, no wear on the passenger bolster, down the door pillars and everywhere. The kick plates all in great condition. Door panels. Inside the boot, got all the tools there with the locking wheel bolt. Two-litre 4-cylinder, power steering. M-spoke steering wheel and gear lever. Again, the driver's seat, no wear on the base there, virtually no wear at all on the bolster. All the stitching's in good order, and again the driver's floor mat in great order. We'll take you for a run down the road in the car in a few minutes, just to show how good it is on the road, but just one very nice low mileage car to enjoy a bit of sunshine without spending too much money. If you are interested, give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit the website woldsideclassics.co.uk. Just take you for a little run up the road in this lovely little Z3. Lovely day here in the Lincolnshire Wolds. Perfect for a car like this. It just shows you don't have to spend so much money to enjoy the sunshine. 5-speed manual gearbox, all working well. This lovely aluminium M-spoke M-Sport gear knob, and the same matching steering wheel too. 35,633 miles from new, great service history, lovely condition. Just a standard-ish vehicle, just a manual hood which is very easy to use. No air conditioning, it's got electric windows, traction control, radio CD, Bluetooth. Just lovely through the gears, just nice and tight now. A good low mileage BMW should be. Pull strong, Steering dead ahead, no vibrations. Coming down the gears on. Synchros are great, no vibrations, no wobbles, no nothing. Brakes, dead smooth, pull straight ahead. Not really much to say other than that. Just give us a call if you fancy a low mileage one of these. 01507 606 725 or visit the website for more photos and information. Thank you.